I've tested this dough recipe more times than I can count, and the sticky date filling is 10 out of 10. Come make it with me. To make the dough, start by activating your yeast. Add the yeast, some sugar and warm water to your bowl and set aside until it becomes foamy. Once activated, add the flour, the rest of the sugar and salt. Add some warm milk and crack in 1 egg. Now start to knead the dough using a stand mixer, or you can do this by hand. As you continue to knead, add the softened butter a little bit at a time and keep kneading until you have a soft, smooth dough. Shape the dough into a ball and place in a greased bowl. Cover and let it rise for about 1.5 to 2 hours. While you wait for the dough to rise, start preparing the sticky date filling. Add the dates, butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, a bit of vanilla and water to a pan, and over medium heat, keep stirring until the dates have softened and the mixture is beautiful and thick. You now want to remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. By this time your dough should have doubled in size. Punch down the dough and you're going to roll it out on a floured surface into a rectangle that's approximately 18 inches long by 13 inches. Now spread the sticky date filling evenly all over the dough, and then you are going to roll up from the long side into a log. To make sure the scrolls are the same size, I do use a measuring tape, and then to get a clean, beautiful cut, I use dental floss, or you can of course use your serrated knife. Before you pop those scrolls into a lined baking tray, you do need to have your butterscotch sauce ready and pour that onto the base of the tray. Now place the scrolls into the tray over the sauce, cover and let it rise until doubled in size. Before baking, pour the 1/2 cup of cream all over the top of those scrolls, and now you're ready to bake. In the meantime, prepare the icing. You are going to mix together really well the softened butter and sifted icing sugar. Then mix through the brown sugar, cream, a bit of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Mix it really well until you have a smooth icing mixture. Your scrolls will be ready after about 30 minutes, and while still warm, spread the icing all over the scrolls and serve. The end result is soft golden scrolls packed with rich sticky dates and baked over that bubbling butterscotch base. These are the kind of treat that disappears straight out of the tray. They're warm, they're gooey, and finished with a beautiful spread of icing. They're the perfect excuse to turn your oven on and go ahead, bake something worth sharing.